Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to learn a song by the Loveworld singers. Lord, you mean to me more than everything, or yes, I love you, Lord. Alright, so we're going to be doing it in the key of F sharp. Alright, so from the F sharp, we're going to modulate into G. Alright, so it's just a semitone. So for example, if you're playing in F, you modulate to the next key. If you are here, you modulate. So I'll be showing you how to modulate. Alright, and then it might be a lengthy tutorial, but first of all, I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. God bless you for being a part of this channel. Keep on watching the videos, and then if you're a beginner and you don't understand anything I'll teach here, go into the comment box or the description box. You're going to see a beginner link there. When you click on it, it will take you to a playlist with 53 videos. I keep on updating them as I teach. You can learn from scratch from the very first day to all the 12 keys, and even add some chords to it. So get in there, click on it, and then come back, or you can follow as I teach. Alright, so this is how the song is. It starts on a 1. Lord, you mean to me more than everything. No word can quantify you for anything. Lord, you magnificently reign in me. Oh Lord, I just wanna love you, Lord. Lord, you mean to me more than everything. No words can quantify you for anything. Lord, you magnificently reign in me. Oh Lord, I just wanna love you more. Yes. Alright, so that's the first verse of the song, and this is how you play your chord 1. This is your chord 1. Lord, you mean to me more than everything, to chord 4. Alright, so from chord 1 to chord 4, then you come and play chord 2. No words can quantify you for anything. You play a sus chord, a sus 2 rather, but you're seeing a sus 4, but it's a sus 2. Alright, before you move to the actual 5th chord. So you suspend it, or you play a 1, but let's play this sus. So let's start from the beginning again. Lord, you mean to me more than everything. No word, chord 2, can quantify you for anything. Then you do a 6. Now before the 6, you can do a diminished. The diminished, this is how you form it in any chord. This is the 6. So below the 6, you here 1 2 3 1 2 3. So it's like this before the 6. So let's play it for you to see. So no words can quantify you for anything. Then you play, Lord, you magnificently reign in me. This is also a chord 2. So if you don't know it, you go to the beginner section and learn how to invert chords. Alright, so Lord, you magnificently reign in me. Then you do, oh Lord, I just wanna love you more. Then 6 like this. You can play 6 like this, you can play like this. So this is your 7, and then 1. So again, Lord, you mean to me more than everything. No word can quantify you for anything. Lord, you magnificently reign in me. Oh Lord, I just wanna love you more. Yes. Now that place where so like this. Lord, you magnify. So again, from diminished. Lord, you magnify me. Oh Lord. So I did this. You can do it. Just wanna love with the B flat. More. Yes, I love you, Lord. Then you do, I love you, Lord. I just love to love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. I just love to love you, Lord. Alright, so let's do that part again. So it's like this. Chord 1 with the B flat on top. Okay, so this your first inversion, this the second inversion. All right, okay, sorry, this root chord, first inversion. So yes, I love you, Lord. This is a chord 7. You play 5 and a 7 on the left. I love you, Lord. 6. Then you do a 2. The 2 you play a minor. So like this. And then this last one you can just play your chord 1 over the 5. It makes it into a suspended chord. All right, so this is how I played it. So yes, I love you, Lord. This for beginners. All right, then I did something like this. I played a 2 over the 6, over the 7 rather. Then this chord, I'm playing a 3 like this, then to 6. So you can forget about it and play 1, 7. I love you, Lord. So instead of the this chord to 6, from the 5 you can just come to 6. Then you do the 2. So let's do it. Yes, I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. Now I'm playing the normal 3. Then you do, I just love to love you. Yes, I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. I just love to love you, Lord. I just love to love you, Lord. All right, so this is the so this is how I did it. I played a 1, 7. Okay, so what I do is I this is 6, then 5, then you do. Let me slow it down. of playing the 6 in a minor, I play it a major. Then you do, you're beautiful in all your ways. That's a 4. Beautiful in all your ways. Then you do a 5. You're the greatest love of all. Then you can do a 3 before a 4 again. You're glorious and gracious, oh Lord. Okay, so you're beautiful in all your ways. You're the greatest love of all. So from a 4 to a 5, then you do a 3 to a 4, then you do a suspended chord, oh Lord. Then I just love to love you, Lord, chord 4. Now you can maintain the 4 and move to 5. So I just love to love you, Lord, I love you. So 4, you have 5 over 4. Yeah, 5 over 4. 3 to 6 to 2. And I love you, Lord, with everything that is within me. I just love to love you. I love you, Lord. Yes, I love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. I just love to love you. Okay, so this is how I modulated. You play a note 1, a note 4, a note 5, and then you play the octave of the 1 with a 5 on the bass. So that is it. And so let me end it again and then. Love you, Lord. I love you, Lord. I just love you, Lord. Yes, I love you, Lord. This is a chord 7 for key G. I love you, Lord. That's chord 6. Then you do 3, 5, this chord 6. Then you do 2. Then you can do. End it. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. I hope you're able to put the pieces together and learn it. Alright, so see you in the next tutorial. God bless you. Bye bye.